Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Nu Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, checking out all the hotels and casinos on the southern end of the strip today. Just came from the Mandalay Bay, and I'm going to head into Luxor Hotel and Casino. Come on in with me. Let's see what's going on at the Luxor, shall we? When it comes to all the hotels and casinos in Las Vegas, if you ever did a top 10 list of whether it's restaurants or shows or shopping or anything like that, casinos, Luxor would never make that list. Sure, it's got all those things, but nothing really stands out except for one exception: its biggest asset, that beautiful, beautiful building, the Pyramid. The Luxor Hotel and Casino would probably top the list of the most unique, iconic buildings in town. Sure, it's been around for decades now, but I never lose fascination with the building inside and out, and it's always a must-see for me, even though there's not much to do inside as far as restaurants and shopping and things like that. It's always a must-see for me to just check out the wonder and splendor of this building. Obviously, the Egyptian theme is carried throughout this building, inside and outside. It includes a 65,000 square foot casino as well as 4,407 hotel rooms. This pyramid that we're in right now is 30 stories high and contains the world's largest atrium by volume, measuring 29 million cubic feet, biggest in the world. Not only does it hold the record for the world's largest atrium, but it holds another record. The tip of the pyramid features a light beam which shines into the night sky and is the most powerful man-made light in the world. Speaking of the Egyptian theme, original plans had a Nile River ride going throughout the entire hotel, but costs were really prohibitive during construction and they were over budget, and well, the Nile River ride plans were scrapped during construction. As far as restaurants here at Luxor, again, not that much to choose from. There's Diablo's Mexican Cantina, there's a Tender Steakhouse and Lounge, Public House, which we passed, it's that sports bar at the beginning of the video. There's a backstage deli, and there's also a buffet here at Luxor. I've been told it's not that great. I've never been. I can't give my opinion, but again, I've been told there are much better buffets here on the strip. Luxor also has a food court. We'll check that out in a moment. Considering the way sports books are being built these days, Luxor's comes in as dark and dated. Centrally located is the Sentra Bar. It seems to have an identity complex. It's got like 70s lighting, casino carpeting, Victorian furniture, all in the middle of a pyramid. I'm gonna need a drink just to take it all in. One of the cool things about Luxor is it's situated between two sister properties, Mandalay Bay to the south and Luxor to the north, and they're all connected via passageways, pedestrian passageways, as well as a free tram. So if you're struggling to find a nice restaurant or a place to shop around here, there are hotels to the left and to the right that can help you out. Mandalay Bay has a great list of fine dining options, and again, it's only just a short walk away. Of course, if you're walking back to the Luxor, you'd need to walk like an Egyptian. Sorry, couldn't resist. If you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Nu York channel. It really does help the channel out. The channel, by the way, just recently hit 3 million views, and that's all you guys tuning in to watch these videos. I do appreciate it. Hold on tight. So tell us, have you stayed at the Luxor? If you have, leave a comment below. Tell us what you thought. What'd you think of those sideway elevators that take you up and down the pyramid? I hear they're pretty rickety. Luxor is home to several good shows, including Carrot Top, Fantasy, and Blue Man Group. You've got to see Carrot Top if you're in town. They also have several exhibitions, including Titanic, Bodies, and Discovering King Tut. And also opening in the spring of 2024 is House of Shattered Prisms, an all-immersive art experience. If you'd like to support the New York channel, click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, and if you click on that thanks button, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Mike C, who left a super thanks on my latest holiday video, the Cape May Christmas Candlelight House Tour. I went around and visited all the decorated bed and breakfasts in Cape May. You guys really enjoyed that video, and I'm sure I'm going to visit again next year. Once again, shout out to Mike C. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate your support. Straight ahead down that corridor is the Shops at Mandalay Place. That's also your pedestrian walkway to the Mandalay Bay Hotel and Casino. They knew I was coming. The food court here at Luxor includes a Johnny Rocket, Banano's Pizzeria, LA Subs, Nathan Famous Hot Dogs, as well as Original Chicken Tender. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.